Okay.
Sorry students, previous video there is some video is not perfect. In this video we are going to discuss again. We are going to start with the properties of charges. The properties of charges, number of properties of charges we have. First of all, we will discuss first property. First property of this one, addition of charges. Addition of charge, which means if you take any charges in the system, for suppose I am taking two charges in the system, Q1 and Q2. See, remember one point, Q and is a symbol for charge. Q is a symbol for charge. Always we are denoting only Q, or may use capital Q also. Q and Q1 and Q2 are two charges in a system, one system. So in this system, what is the total charges in the system, which means we can give the relation is Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. This is very important. The properties of charges are very important. The basic concept will give to enter into the lesson problems. Okay, Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2. Addition of charges, Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2. If you take number of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on, Qn charges, it becomes relation, it becomes Q1, Q2, Q3 and number of charges if you take, the resultant charge will give Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus and so on, plus Qn charges are having in the system. This is the basic property, addition of charges. Next one, conservation of charge. Conservation of charge, which means already first year we learned what is the conservation. If the complete system becomes positive. State law of conservation of energy, first yearly. The definition is energy neither be created nor be destroyed in a system. Same process, the conservation of charge means charge neither be created nor be destroyed. First of all, first example in the previous video, first example we did if you take two glass rods doing with rubbing of silk cloth, which means with the silk cloth and rod, after doing few seconds, all the charges will be redistribution between the substance only, but never this will lose the electron, never this will create the electrons. These all things are redistribution only. That's why we can say that charge is in a body redistribution, which means it will travel from one body to another body, one atom to another. Best example we know, which is Q. For suppose I am taking one atom. Na plus, which means it is not lost the electron. It definitely will gives the for one more atom, which means Na and Cl minus. So it gives that Na plus Cl minus will give NaCl, one of the molecule. The charges are redistribution between the system. So this is conservation of charges. Okay na? Conservation of charges. Next one, charge is quantized. Quantization means it is given the relation of this one. One of the scientists, they given quantization of charge, that his name is R.A. Millicon. Based on R.A. Millicon experiment, they given one relation for complete charge, which is Q is equal to plus or minus Ne. This is basic relation for the charge. Q is equal to plus or minus Ne. In the 10th class we have it. Q is equal to plus or minus Ne. Here Ne is nothing but integral multiple of the charges, or we say that number of charges in the system. Number of charges, either it is positive or negative, depends on metal or substance. We know every atom carries electron, proton, neutrons, photons, different things we have in the single atom. That's why the relation is n is equals to number of charges or number of, if you take electrons, number of electrons. E is nothing but charge of electron. Charge of electron. E is equal to, there is a constant value. We have to remember 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Okay, coulombs. The symbol of coulombs unit is this one. This is SI unit. One more thing you have to remember, units of SI, units of charge, units for the charge is coulombs. Because he was invented about charge, that's why the symbol is coulombs. Okay, coulomb is a scientist name. Units for the coulomb is again charge always it is a scalar quantity. Charge always it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. There is no particular direction. There is no particular direction. Charge moves different ways, but charge is only having magnitude. There is no direction. That's why it is a charge is scalar quantity. Units for the charge is coulomb. One charge of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. If you take any number of electrons, we may solve by using of this relation. This is very important basic formula to introduce what is the charge now, how much total charge having in the system, that is equal to Q is equal to plus or minus Ne. If negative charges you are taking minus Ne. If positive charges you are taking plus Ne. N and the number of charges, E is nothing but charge of electron. Next, by using of this one, by using of quantization, we are doing different problems. For suppose if in a system you are taking one, for suppose if a system has 10 to the power of 19 electrons. 10 to the power of 19 electron. What about charge? What about complete charge? Tell me what about, we know the formula. Q is equal to, this is one of the example. I am taking one problem. Q, if charge system has 10 to the power of 19 electrons, what about charge? Q is equals to, what is this formula? Plus or minus Ne. Okay, I am taking electron Ne. Particular charge I am taking, that is Q is equals to, N is nothing but number of electrons. What is N is equals to 10 to the power of 9 electrons. So 10 to the power of 9, and we know the charge of electron, what it is? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Therefore, Q is equals to, the relation becomes 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 coulombs of charge having a system. A system is having how much charge it is having? Q is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 coulombs. Okay, now this is about basic things of charge, properties of charge. Properties of charges, one is addition of charge, and second one is conservation of charge. Next, third one is charge is quantized. Charge is quantized means this is the basic relation. Will gives the basic formula will gives this Q is equals to plus or minus Ne. This is one problem, and